Hello guys, and welcome back again to another tools and gadgets. Today we have the LG ThinQ front load combo, the washer and the dryer combo. So I'm just going to walk you through over the settings, the functions of this washer. So here we have the tub, and up here we have the detergent loader. So we have the pre-wash and we have the main wash. This is for the softener and liquid bleach. So for the pre-wash, this is what you will use when you turn on this setting right here, the pre-wash. So basically it soaks the clothes before the actual wash. So here is the main wash. So when you use a detergent, powder detergent, you will take that off. Okay? So you only use this by default, it's there. You only use that when you're using liquid detergent. So the pre-wash, you can then take that one out. This one as well. So here we go. Okay, so yeah, let's turn on the washing machine. Okay, so you have all the presets here. So I'm just going to explain this side over here because this is where people get confused. So here you have the knob. So it goes around. Alright, so when you choose the what presets you like, you then customize it here. Then after that, you're going to hit play or start, and it will start washing your clothes. So here we have the steam fresh care. So it basically, if you have an expensive, let's say, cardigan or jacket that you would like not to wash it but just to steam it, then you choose this setting. We have the pre-wash. So the pre-wash is basically the one here. So pre-wash is, it'll just soak your clothes before the actual wash. Delay wash is when you let's say you want the wash to start 1 hour from now. Yeah, you could do that. So yeah, I forgot to highlight the second menu here, second function. So the remote start, you just need to long press this one, and it will click on the remote start. So you could basically remote start it. So you load all your laundry clothes here, then you could remote start it using your phone. In order to remote start the laundry, you need to turn on your Wi-Fi first. So when you turn this on, you just long press this delay wash, and you can see there's a Wi-Fi symbol here, so that you could pair this one to your router, so that you can control basically your washing machine anywhere in the world. And then add garments. So when the laundry is already started, so there's a lock sign here that shows up, so you can open this one. So when you need to add a garment, you just click this, then it will basically stop all the functions, and yeah, you could open this one and add the clothes. Okay, so in here on the other side, TurboWash, I don't know what basically, but yeah, it's default by on. It's on by default, I mean. Cold wash, yeah, if you just wanted to not use any warm water, yeah, you could use that to save electricity if you don't have a separate warm water coming in. Extra rinse, I always do this extra rinse so that the clothes will there won't be any residue left from the if you're using powder detergent, or you could just use that, and even if you're using liquid detergent. Okay, this one is the rinse and spin. So it basically just rinses the clothes and spin it to dry, and that's it. All right, so here we got the temperature. So you get hot and extra hot. Spin is when you might want to choose extra high for the spin, because so that the clothes will dry up faster when you use the dryer. So here the soil, I usually go heavy for the soil, even though if it's not heavy, the one that I placed, the load that I'm placing inside, I always use heavy so that there's more water coming in. If you're not concerned of wasting any water, then yeah, you could use that setting. Because if you're gonna use light setting here for the soil, there's just a little bit of water that's coming in. Because honestly, guys, the new washing machines right now are very water friendly. I mean, they're just using 20 gallons of water compared to the old ones. Old generations are using 60 to 90 gallons of water per load. All right, so I usually set that to heavy so that there's extra water coming in. And here the dryer, so you could choose turbo, normal usually around 5 hours of drying, but me, I choose this for 2 hours. I set that for 2 hours because, once again, guys, I chose the extra high so that it will spin really fast and it will dispense the water, pretty much all the water, so that there will be little drying time for the load. Yeah, so that's it. Pretty much I explained everything already. So yeah, once again, if you have any questions, guys, comment down below, and see you in your next vlog. Bye.